If your vanilla gift card is not working, there are a few common troubleshooting steps you can take. Check card balance. Ensure that your vanilla gift card has sufficient funds to cover your purchase. You can check the balance by visiting the official vanilla gift card website or calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Register your card. Some online transactions and services may require you to register your gift card. Visit the issuer's website and follow the instructions to register your card. Correct card information. Double check that you are entering the correct card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Merchant restrictions. Confirm that the merchant you are trying to use the card with accepts vanilla gift cards. Some merchants or online platforms may have restrictions on certain types of gift cards. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, contact Vanilla Gift Card customer support. The customer service number is usually found on the back of the card. They can provide assistance and verify if there are any issues with your card.